Computer Vision Basics with YOLO. We're going to create a project that detects objects using the Raspberry Pi camera, the AI hat, and YOLO. We've already set up the camera and installed the AI hat, but what exactly is YOLO? YOLO is an AI model for real-time object detection. The name stands for You Only Look Once. It's called that because the model processes an image or video frame just once and can quickly identify and label objects instead of scanning it piece by piece. With YOLO, we don't need to train the AI to recognize everyday objects. It has already been trained on them. All we have to do is use it. What you'll need: Raspberry Pi 5, AI hat, Raspberry Pi camera, power supply, monitor, mouse, and keyboard, breadboard, wires, LEDs, and resistors. Installing the AI hat software. Open the terminal window and update your Raspberry Pi. Install the AI hat firmware. This may take a few minutes. If you're asked to confirm, type Y and press enter. Once the installation is complete, restart your Raspberry Pi by typing reboot. Installing the Halo pipeline and running YOLO. Now we're going to install Halo's Python pipeline software and some example programs. So what's a pipeline? Talking directly to the AI hat is very complicated, but no worries, the pipeline will handle this complicated process for us. Step 1, download the examples. Halo makes things easier for us by giving out a set of ready-made example files. These examples save us time because we don't need to start coding everything from scratch. Instead, we can learn from the provided code, run it right away, and even modify it later to make our own projects. To download the examples, open the terminal and type This will create a new folder in your Pi's home directory called Halo-RPI5-Examples. We'll be working inside this folder throughout the project. Step 2, move into the folder. Now that the examples are downloaded, we need to move into that folder so the terminal knows where to look. Do this with the change directory command. Next, run the installer script. This step will take about 10 minutes, since it also downloads and sets up the YOLO models we'll be using. When asked to continue, enter Y. When the installation is complete, restart your Pi with reboot. Now the installation part is finished. Step 4, run the demo. After your Pi restarts, go back into the examples folder. When we installed everything, it also created something called a virtual environment, or VENV. Think of VENV like having a separate backpack just for this project. Inside that backpack are all the exact tools and supplies, or rather Python packages, you need without mixing them up with your other projects. To put on the backpack or get into this environment, type Now, every time you restart your Pi or open a new terminal, you'll need to get into the examples folder and activate the VENV again by running these two commands. Let's run the demo program. It simply means run this Python program. A new window should pop up showing a short video of people crossing the street. You'll notice colored boxes drawn around objects with labels like person, car, or bicycle, along with a percentage number. So what's YOLO doing here? It draws a box around each object it detects, adds a label to guess what the object is, shows a confidence score, shows a score of how sure it is about the guess. Press Ctrl-C on the terminal window to exit. Now, let's look at what's printed on the terminal window. Frame count shows how many frames have been processed so far. Each detection has an ID, a number assigned by the tracker so we can follow the same object across frames. So the same person is tracked across multiple frames, and there's the confidence score. So that's YOLO running on your Raspberry Pi with the AI hat.